What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to please request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Click the bell icon. Let's get the views up, subscribers up, everything up. I've also launched a Discord, which I'll just be posting like sneaker talk stuff, just talking about sneakers. I'll be posting what I've picked up, probably straight away. As soon as I pick it up, I might just post it there. You know, it's a work in progress. There's 4 of us in there vibesing. You're free to join if you want. And yeah, let me stop waffling. Let's just get straight into this one. For once, it's not a boring old red and white Nike sportswear box. It's actually the all black with the silver. Whoops. I'm not going to cut that out because I keep it organic. All black with the silver Nike Air Force 1 on the box. It's literally just black. And then the silver, most important bit, which is the label. Let's just have a look at what that says. Nike Air Force 1 07 or 07, whatever you want to say. And the colorway on this is black, blue lightning, wolf grey. Interesting. US 10, UK 9, BR 42, centimeters 48. No, centimeters 28, Euro 44. And then the women's sizing below that, which is odd because I see centimeters 28.5, but the same shoe says centimeters 28, so I don't know why or where that extra 0.5 centimeter comes from, but it is what it is. The style code on this is FD0654001, and of course made in Vietnam. So this pair was very random. I saw these and are very simple, so I thought, let me get these. Let's see how they are. So we got that tissue paper with the stars and all that good stuff. Boom. What have we got here? Black Air Force 1s, but as you can see, the swoosh changes color. Imagine that. I'm so simple, I literally got them because of that, because they change color. It goes from like blue to like purplish. That is sick, man. I literally can't stop doing that. I don't know why. I just keep moving it like just to see the colors change. Let's just run through the colors of the shoes quickly. Black sole, you know, the same old standard Air Force 1 sole. Midsole, we've got all black, and then we've got silver, or it's very close to silver. It's like an off-whitish kind of color. That says Air, so it's got a little paint, and then it wraps around. Then literally black tumbled leather on the back, black tumbled leather all around the toe box. The toe box, black tumbled leather. Lace stay, you can guess, black tumbled leather. We've got that silverish swoosh there. I do like it when the Air Force 1s have another swoosh, I don't know why. And then we've got the magical color changing swoosh here. So it is a thunder blue, or whatever they wanted to call it, thunder blue, but it does change, so I don't know what color that changes to, or whatever they want to call it. Thunder blue. On the back, this is quite different. I don't think I've ever seen this material before on Air Force 1. It's the same as the swoosh, so it's that kind of paintenish leather, but this time it's silver with the silver Nike Air on the back. Laces, standard Air Force 1 laces. No debris, but I don't mind because I think, you know, they look clean regardless. And then we've got the tongue. It's kind of like a mesh tongue, not a leather tongue, which is different. And then we got the label that says Air Force 1 or Nike Air Force 1 with the swoosh. and that's in kind of like a grey stitching on that label, and on the inside it's the same with that color changer. The color changer, yeah. So yeah, I literally got these because I thought, you know, all black ones can get boring. These are a different material. I wanted to see the swoosh change color in hand. Obviously I love them, and yeah, I'm really happy that I got these because, you know, I don't know, I see them, well, they've been sitting, but I see them being worth a bit soon. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna just put these straight on foot and rock them. With these, you know, as always, it's gonna be a tracksuit trainer. It might go well with the half grey, half black tech fleece because of these like grey silverish bits. So I think that's a good shout for the outfit. But I really do love Air Forces. It's the shoe that got me into sneakers or trainers. It's literally how I started collecting, how I started building up my collection. If I YouTubed back then, if I posted videos back then, oh my days, you would have seen nothing but Air Force Ones, literally no other trainer for a good year and a half, 2 years. But yeah, people, man, let me know what you think of these. Same but different, so they kind of like got that utility vibe to them with the tumbled leather and stuff. They don't have the pull tab that the utility do, but they do have the extra swoosh. Let me know what you think of these. Tell me if you like them, tell me if you hate them, tell me if you rate them. I do know they're definitely gonna be Marmite because of that swoosh. Personally, I love them, man. I have to say that, I love them. Let me know what you think, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Join the Discord, check out every single video, click the bell icon so you know when everything gets released, probably every day or whenever, 5 PM or 5:30, and wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot video. And most importantly, take care, people.